So this is the Vintage Coach Compact Pouch, style number 9620, in the color Burgundy. And this bag was made in the original New York City factory sometime in the 1980s. So this is a crossbody bag with a strap here that is sewn directly onto the bag, so the strap is not removable on this one. And it's also not adjustable, so it's just a regular crossbody strap. So I'll go ahead and show you the bag itself now. So as you can see, it's got a turn lock closure here. That's how you'd open the bag. And then here's what the sides look like. And then here's the back of the bag. And then we'll go ahead and open the bag now. So on the inside, it does have one pocket. So it's got this little slip pocket here, as you can see. Here's what the inside of the bag looks like. And then of course the Coach Creed is along this back inside pocket. Here's a close-up photo of the Creed as well, just so you can see it better than it will pick up on camera. So that's the beautiful compact pouch bag, and she is now available in our online store, so if anyone was interested, the link will be below in the description box. But otherwise, I hope you guys enjoyed the tour of this little bag, and we'll see you next time.